Bring your seat closer. Let me show you how to create this amazing baby dancing video with AI. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Abbas, and on this channel we do everything media, which include graphic design, photography, videography, and video editing. Do well to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss amazing videos that I'll put out there on this channel. This is a channel you can learn so much from. So do well to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as we drop them. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. So, what you do, first of all, you're going to create your image, create your prompt, at the same time get the video you want to mimic. So first we are going to go to TikTok. We'll go to TikTok and search for trending dance video like this. So this one here, I search here, and then these are examples. So it's now left for you to choose the one you like. I think I like this lady dance. I like the way she dance. Okay, so I'm going to pick that one. There are other ones just for you to see. If you search for it, you see so many of them. So I'm going to click on this one and I'll try to download it. Okay, so download video. So note that every single thing I'm doing on my PC, you can do it as well on your phone. Now the video has been downloaded. Look at it here. Now the next thing I want to do is to create my image that I want to use. So what I'll do, I'll go to my Chrome browser and I'll head on to ChatGPT. Open your Chrome browser and go to ChatGPT. In my case, I want to use my image to create the baby version of me. So just watch the steps as I'm going to do it. So I'll click on this plus sign here and upload my image, one of my image that I'm going to instruct ChatGPT to help me use to create a baby version of me. And I'll tell ChatGPT the style of dress I want for my video, for my image. So what it will do is just pick. Okay, let me put this image. Open. Now I'll say use my face in this image to create a toddler version of me wearing jean on jean with a white t-shirt inside, a necklace, a golden luxury necklace, a Rolex wristwatch, and a nice Timberland shoe like this. Make it realistic and inspiring, such like a music dancer. So this is how I write this prompt that I'm using for this video. So let's give this prompt to ChatGPT and my image. Let's see what it's going to create for us. So we're going to click on send, then we'll wait for it to do its magic. So it's going to take some time, but if you are on ChatGPT Pro, it's not going to take too much of time, but you can do it for the free version of ChatGPT. Okay, so that's just the thing. So let's wait for the result. Can you see this? Can you see how amazing this looks? You get, so it has created a baby version of me. Now I want to give it more prompts. Yes, so I'm going to tell it to kindly change the posture. Kindly change the posture for him to stand properly with his hands in his pocket. Okay, so you are the one that will give it what you want so that it can match what you want to do. Okay, so when I say this, I'll say keep everything same. Okay, I'll send it to it. So it's going to rearrange the image. So one thing is your result is going to be a product of how good you are with your prompting. So you have to be very, very intentional when it comes to prompt, because prompt is really the a kind of the backbone or the basis to whatever you are going to get from your AI video or your AI image generation. So far so good. You've learned how you can create an image with ChatGPT. So the result is almost here. Let's wait for it. So voila, here is the baby version of my image. So what I'll do now, I will download this image. Yes. So the image is about 145 kilobytes. Now that I have my image, I'll head on to Kling AI. I'm not saying you should use the app. You can use the web site of Kling AI from your Chrome browser. For some persons, it may not be free. Okay, but I think if you log in for the first time, they give you free credits, so you can try it out to see if it works for you. So now I'll come here. When you get to click AI, you are going to click on video. Okay, let me go back. Let me go back home so that you see how I got to this place. Okay, so let me go back. Okay, so you see whenever you load. Okay, so if you come to click AI, this is the interface you are going to see. Okay, so if you see this interface, the next thing you will do is to click on this video here. Okay, so you see image to video, but you're not going to use image to video this time around. You're going to click on this motion control. When you click on this motion control, the next thing you do is to ask you to add your character action to mimic. So the video you downloaded from TikTok that time, you are going to upload it here so that it will mimic that exact video for you. So I'll click on it here and I'll go into my download and I'll take that video and click on open. So you wait for it to upload the video, and your video has been uploaded. The next you are going to do is to click on what add your character image. So that my image that we did the other time, I'm going to upload it. I'll click on it and I'll click on open. So my image has been uploaded. So the next thing I'll do is to come here and click on generate with 65 credits. Okay, so now in my this thing I have 154 credits. So if I click on generate, let's see, because I've not paid for the subscription for a while. Let me see if it's still gonna work. Okay, if it doesn't work, then I will need to subscribe. Okay, because I'm using the pro version of Kling AI. So I click on generate. It has submitted. That means it's going to do it. So it's in queue. So wait for our video to come up and let's see how it looks. So guys, our video has been generated and let's play to see how the result comes out. You see that? So once your video has come like this, you just go ahead and download. Okay, so you don't say download. So it's downloading. So let me open this. Okay, so that is how to simply create this trending kids dancing video. I hope you learned something from this. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it to anybody that you feel needs to learn from this. And I'll see you in another video. Peace out.